ये जी चिकन ब्रेड्स हैं बेकी भी, और ये शाशलिस स्टिक्स हैं, चाउमीन है. We have some chocolate pastry, some marshmallow, cake pops.
Assalamu alaikum. We are Tiana Halal Pet Food. We are the world's first branded pet food company in the whole world. So we're offering the halal pet food for your cat. So why you want to bring something which is haram inside the house? So we have a wet range. We have pouches in fish, chicken, lamb and goat, and then we got a dry food which is freeze dried.
Assalamu alaikum. We're here today at the Shabnam Venue, and I've got fragrances that I'm selling. They're all unisex.
ये मेरा नाम फरा है और हम लोगों ने ये फूड बनाया पाकिस्तानी फूड. ये चिकन कटलेट्स हैं, ये चना चाट, चिप्स और ये पास्ता एंड
I've been in the legal profession for over 20 years, but obviously Manchester, I really do want to meet her. I was looking at this before, it's very unique.
Granny, we are the only one in the world offering
It's
halal
very
pet food.
unique.
So,
Yes.
Businesses that are doing
In the local community, and I think it's a perfect. I will smell it from here.
as well. आगे आ रही है, business कर रही है, अपने पाँव पे खड़ी हो रही है. I think it's absolutely amazing.
Definitely beautiful.
I went to an event yesterday and she did that on me. खुशी हो रही है कि किसी ने मेरी बात सुनी, इन्होंने बात सुनी and घर से बाहर आए. इतने अच्छी एक बात है, developing a business, ऐसी शुरुआत होती है.
Mayoress as well, Ma'am, I'm going to call her Madam, Ma'am Yasmine to say a few words for us today.
It's an absolute honour to be here. I've been Lord Mayor now for nearly a year and I'm not the last. तो alhamdulillah बहुत खुशी है कि भी है सब लोग आए हैं इस वक्त के लिए. I want to say thank you to all the store for everything that.
This is the bridal room.
Oh, lovely. Really nice.
Yeah.
Anyway, and you know, you've managed to get the Lord Mayor here, so you know, individuals that are wanting to come out and do business. I think it's fantastic. You've got young women selling clothes and boutique. And
An amazing turnout and very motivational today.
Right, okay. Have you tried any yet?
Yeah.
Okay, how about yourself? You as well, yeah? There's a chap here, he's quite jolly and helpful, so go on, go on, what do you want to say about?
Yeah, it's really, I really enjoyed over there. It's really, you know, the desi food stalls. I'm from Pakistan, so I really enjoyed these foods. I didn't even try it, but now I'm going to try it.
Them.
Yeah. Good event for a good gathering for especially Asian community. And we all had a very nice time here with all the nice food.